Hey guys, it's Alex here and welcome back to my video series on solving LeetCode problems. We're solving the 198 house robber problem. I already solved it. I was solving it before, but I'm super sleepy and it was taking too long, so I stopped the video, solved it, and now I'm recording to explain what I did. But let's look over the problem and see what's it about. You're a professional robber planning to rob houses along the street. Each house has a certain amount of money stashed, and the only constraint stopping you from robbing them is that adjacent houses have security systems connected and it will automatically contact the police if two adjacent houses were broken into on the same night. Given an integer array nums representing the amount of money on each house, return the maximum amount of money you can rob tonight without alerting the police. So let's look at this. So this is the amount of money in each house. So what happens? If you decide to rob house 2, you get 2. If you decide to rob house 2. If you decide to rob the first house, you get 2. Rob the second house, you get 7. If you decide to rob the third house, you get 9 plus 2, because you can't rob 7 and 9, you can rob 9 and 2. So you rob 11. If you rob the fourth house, then you can rob this one and this one, or this one and this one. So it's 3 plus the maximum of these two, which is 10. And now you rob the last house. So the last house, if you rob this, you can't rob this, but you can rob this, or this, or this. Well, it depends. But you get the maximum value of these two plus 1. In this case, it's 11, so 12. And then at the end, you get the maximum value of these two houses. So let me code all of this again. I'm leaving you with the edge case here, which is you only have one house. So let's assume you have more than one house. So cumulative money equals, let's just say nums until 2. So for index in range, length of nums, if index smaller than 2, continue. So if it's 0 or 1, continue, because we already have the first and the second. So now, what do? We say, hey, let's just say candidate 1 is nums of index minus 2, and candidate 2 is nums of index minus 3 if index is bigger than 2. Actually, yes, bigger than 2. Otherwise, we get negative numbers, else 0. So nums of index plus equals the maximum value of candidate 1 and candidate 2. And that's it. And at the end, we just return the maximum value of nums last position and nums second last position. And that's pretty much it. There's probably something missing. Oh, there isn't. And I just got very good results. Pretty cool, right? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you later.